What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're going to be drawing Christmas Baby Yoda. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start over on the left side, starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top of that circle, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, I'm just going to pull this in and then back out. Let's line this up on the right. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down the middle and then back up. And then we'll move up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to start back over on the left. Start with a curve going up and then down. And we'll curl up towards the corners of the mouth. So we'll go around and then up towards the eyes. Let's add a reverse bracket. Over on the left, step up, curve down and out. I'm also going to add a fold underneath each eye. Starting on the outside, we're just going to curve down and pull that in. And we'll bring the collar up above the chin. Starting over on the left side, start with a curve coming down the middle, and then bend that back up on the right. Let's round out the side of the head. Starting back on the left, go out, and bend that in. And then we'll work our way up towards the tip of the ears. Starting back on the left, curve up, and then out. Let's bring the ears back towards the side of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to start with a curve coming in, and bend that down. And then from the bottom, I'm just going to pull this back in towards the side of the head. And I'll add some thickness to the top of the ear. Starting on the left, I'm just going to taper this towards the inside of the head. And we'll connect the inside of the ears with a curve, going up the middle, and then back down. Let's draw a Santa hat on top of this head. We're going to start over on the left side on the top of the ear, curve up in the middle, and then bend that down on the right. And then going back to the left side, we're going to step out, curve up toward the top of the hat, round this out. I'm just going to pull this down over towards the right side. Let's draw a circle on the end, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's go over towards the right side, step out, curve the head going up, and then bend that in. Let's move down and draw on the bottom of the collar. From the bottom of the ear, we're going to step out. Just going to bring this down a little bit lower in the middle, and then bend that back up on the right. And then we'll add a fold, starting in the center, curve this out, and then down. Now we'll place Baby Yoda inside the pod. So we start with the hands, starting on the outside, curve the wrist going up, and then down. Line this up on the right. And then we'll add two fingers on either side. Starting on the left, come down, round out the finger, and then pull that up. And we'll do that one more time. Coming down, and then up underneath the collar. Let's separate the tips of each finger. Starting on the outside, I'm just going to draw a half circle, going up and then down. And we'll add a thick cuff around the wrist. Starting on the outside, I'm just going to curve this out and then bend that up in behind the collar. Let's draw the inside edge of the pod. Starting from the side of the collar, I'm just going to curve this out, round out the end, and then pull that in behind the arm. Let's line this up on the right, going out, around, and then back in. And I'll connect the outside of the pod with a large half circle, starting back on the left, come down in the middle, let's round this out, and pull that up on the right. Let's add a trim along the top, starting over on the left, come down, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to add a few buttons in the center, starting at the top. Start with a straight line going across, come down the sides with a short line, and then we'll close off the bottom. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw two lines, one on the left, and then one on the right. Let's draw the top of the open pod in behind the head. We start over on the left side, so curve this around, and then up in behind the ear. Let's go over towards the right, going out, and then in. And then we'll continue that curve in behind the head, starting up above the ear, curve up, and bend that in, and come down on the right side. And then we'll trace the lid along the inside. On the left, step in, just leave an even space gap all the way around, and down the right side, and then down towards the bottom. And that's pretty much it. There's Christmas Baby Yoda. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.